Hey, do you know that you don't have to start a Zoom meeting again and again? You just have to schedule it. A schedule and a Zoom meeting? Are you serious? Yeah, I'm serious. This is possible. Just watch this video all the way to the end and I will show you how to do it. So first, search in Google the official site of Zoom and click it, and then click on my account here, not on yours account of course, and then on schedule a meeting. And from here you can schedule a meeting, of course. Yeah, you can put the name of meeting, let's say, yeah, no, not this, let's say, oops, let's say this meeting is the worst one. And you can put a description if you want, and also you can choose a date, from which date to start, let's say 29, and on which hour to start the meeting, let's say AM, and the duration also, let's say 3 hours and 45 minutes, and also the time zone. And if you want to have a regular meeting, just check this box off, check this option of recurring meeting, like this. From here you can choose a weekly meetings or a daily meetings or monthly meetings. Let's say weekly meetings, and repeat every, say, let's say 5 weeks, on every 5 weeks, and let's say Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And also you can choose when this meetings to stop, on which date. August. Yeah, you can choose in August, or just after 7 occurrences, or 5 or 2, or I don't know. You can change the password, you can disable or enable the waiting room, turn on, turn off the host and participants video, and yeah, that's it. And when you save it, here you can see more of that information you made for this schedule meeting. And when the time hits, when you open the Zoom, when the time hits, you automatically join in this schedule meeting. And after, I think, 3 hours and 45 minutes, because I made it like this, 3 hours and 45 minutes, the meeting will stop. And that's it, how to schedule a meeting. It's working, I think, yeah. And if you have some problems and some questions, just comment down below the video in the comments, and I will try to respond them on your comments, and to fix them together maybe. And if I helped you out, make sure to give a like, and see you in the next video. Bye.